Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Aspectek Zapper, an electric insect kill mosquito, bug, fly and other pest killer device. It is a powerful 2800 watt grid. 20 watt bulbs are indoor placed. It is an instant insect attraction and elimination. That bug zapper emits a 365 nanometer wavelength, which has been scientifically proven to be highly attractive to insects, as it falls within their natural viewing wavelength. As flies, mosquitoes, and any other flying insect can't resist approaching the light source, they get immediately zapped. Powerful 2800 watt grid. This is by far the strongest insect zapper on the market. I think so. Dare to compare with our competitors' weaker and ineffective zappers. Aspectek's insect killers is guaranteed to wipe all harmful flying pests and keep you from spending another penny on insect repellents or other insect pest control products. That means you have one device for every insect. But not for bees, of course, because there is an protection zone in front of it, and this is not so big that the bees and the bumblebees can go through. That means it is bees and bumblebee free, natural, chemical free pest control. Stop exposing your family and yourself to harmful chemicals. That electric zapper is a perfect chemical-free pest control alternative, safe to use in every indoor setting with a heavy flying pest infestation problem. But I have to say I will use it outside too, because my barbecue spot, it's the summertime. Every time there are so many pests. It comes flies, it comes mosquitoes, there come all other things which has this tiny and so hard things like bugs, flies, and other pests. I dislike it, and I will defeat them by using this device. That means it is easy to install and it is powerful to use because it's upgraded, and it is placed by plate under it, so you can remove this plate and get the killed insect back to the earth to make the earth recycle that thing again. And after this, you can push this plate back under the zapper, and the zapper will immediately kill so many other mosquitoes, bugs, flies, and other pests. The dimensions are, I think, 40 centimeters to 30 centimeters, and of course 9 centimeters at the zone. That means you have one device which makes so beautiful blue light. It emitted a so nice blue light. That means it is a nice and easy surface with these blue bulbs. I like them really much. And it kills mosquitoes, bugs, flies, and other pests. But it is safety first. That means there is a grater in front of it, so your children's and you can touch the electronic components inside this device. That means that device is safe for you and your family. And the replaceable tray is easy to get it out and get it in to continue this device work. I like it pretty much. It is nice, it is chemical free, and it will not kill any bees and bumblebees because I like bees and bumblebees. I hope you too. What I can say more about this product? Oh, you can install it hanging. That means there is a chain included, which is the hanging feature, so you can hang this device at your wall to get it easier in this level as the mosquito bugs, flies, and other pests are. So it is better to prevent you from this thing. Natural and effective pest control. It has never been easier. You try to fighting off flying insects and swatting flies. Chemical pest control is not only expensive, and of course it is extremely not dangerous for your health too, but it is extremely dangerous for the health of the pest. Of course, stop using costly chemical products and inhalating toxic fumes and volatile particles that lodge themselves in your airways and silently damage them. This is not good. It's time you took the best natural approach to pest control. And it is a styling way for pest control. And if you like to gain it a little bit up, you can spray at the bottom a little bit of, I think it is pheromones, that will get more insect inside this area or inside this device, and it will zap all of them. So you can head back and relax your barbecue. That it is. Only dip it with power, then switch the power on button and relax a lot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Oh yeah, and give me a positive pest-free comment. Yeah. Soon.